In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive folder for a completed DocuSign document. This process will help you streamline your workflow by automatically organizing documents once they've been signed and completed. So let's dive into it and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the DocuSign website. If you haven't registered an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. For those who already have an account, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Once you're in, make your way to the DocuSign home by either clicking the home button if it appears on your screen or simply navigating to the main dashboard. Next, you want to access the administrative settings. To do this, click on admin, which should be easily visible once you're on the DocuSign dashboard. This section allows you to manage integrations and various configurations necessary for connecting DocuSign with other applications, such as Google Drive. After reaching the admin section, direct your attention to the connect option and click on it. This is where you can set up the integration of DocuSign with external cloud storage services. Once you're in the connect section, find and select add configuration. This step prepares your account to link with new services that will automatically manage your documents. You'll then be presented with several options for cloud storage services. Click on OneDrive initially. You might wonder why we're going to OneDrive first. Well, selecting this step helps guide us correctly through the interface where we can later specify Google Drive as our preferred cloud service. Next, look for the option that reads Go to Agreement Actions and give it a click. This will take you to a more detailed settings menu where you'll be managing how DocuSign interacts with documents post-completion. It's important that this is done accurately to ensure files are stored exactly where you want them. Now it's time to connect a new application, so click on Connect New App. A list of available integration apps should appear. From these options, select Google Drive. By choosing Google Drive, you'll be enabling DocuSign to directly deposit completed documents into a designated folder you've set up in your Google Drive account. And just like that, you've successfully configured DocuSign to create a Google Drive folder for each completed document. This setup not only keeps your files organized, but also saves you valuable time, allowing you to focus on other essential tasks. Remember to verify the connection between DocuSign and Google Drive by accessing your Google Drive to see if the sample documents are appearing correctly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back with us for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workflows. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.